CNC control modes in the GUI software, except the two functions of the GUI software we have learned in the first two videos, the single-axis adjustment and the group manual adjustment. We introduce another way to adjust the robot through CNC programming to control robot movement. In this video, I will explain the use of CNC programming through use of our company's data robot. Open GUI software. First, make sure you are at GUI CNC Authority. Click Data 800 on the group, Virtualize, and click CNC on the bottom left side. Choose New Program, or choose Already Existed Program. Double-click the program, a new window comes out. It shows Program and Data. Under Program, there are motion movement codes already written. The internal position information saved in the Data section. If users want to add new positions, just click Teach button on the menu bar. Choose Manual or Teach mode. Under Manual mode, different types of positions can be chosen. Enter position parameters and define a name. Click Add Position. The new position we have just added will be shown in the left window. You can also choose to add movement. Choose a type of movement and its information will be shown in the window on the left side, in Data as well as in Program. Under Teaching mode, the current simulated 3D model position shall be recorded. All the information will be shown in the Data window. Program supports many C programming languages such as for loop, while loop, if statement, and switch statement, etc. After we have finished the programming, simply click Set to activate the program. In the status bar below, it says Ready, and click Start. A vivid picture of 3D simulation shall be shown in the window. It has moved. The system tacitly approved the execution mode is to run continuously. Click Stop and change the execution mode into Step. Or into Jump to. If we want to alter information in program, click Unset. To disable the program first, then we can process to rewrite the program. Through CNC programming, to control the movement of robots and combine the use of group and single-axis adjustment, the robot movement trajectory planning shall be easily done. If alarm occurred during adjustment process, check the information, find the problem according to the type of alarm, reset the corresponding axis. If you have any problem, please call us or write us an email. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.